this is another technique to feed in your braiding extension into your braids. Okay, I already showed you one method. This is another one. So basically, this is the hair we're trying to feed into this braid. Now, feeding in on top. That's what this method is called, on top. So one side goes in first, okay, and then basically again try to hide. And this other side that is here, you try to bring it under, okay, and put the natural hair over it. All right, okay, then you braid it in. Some people like this one as well. All right, I'm just gonna do it again for you to see. I'm just gonna do it again. So here you go, over it, over. So this is going to your left and the right. The middle doesn't have any of the braiding extension, you know. So when this comes here, you move the middle, bring this one to the middle, and then this other one that is going this other way, try to wrap it in. This one that is here, you pull it out. Okay, pull it out nice and slowly, nice and slowly. Okay, you exchange again. All right, this is another method, you know, of fitting in your extension. Then you just keep braiding when you are okay with the quantity of extensions you're fed into the braids. You just braid all the way, nice and slow. See my technique, braiding tight. See, so 1, 2, push like this. Don't braid too far apart. Sometimes I notice that most students end up braiding very loose. Their braids are usually like this, very loose. That's because they're not braiding with any form of, you know, firmness or strength. Okay, when you do like this, you're basically just, so see what I'm doing. This space is very free and loose. That's why it's like that. But if you want it to give you this tightness, what you want to do, you want to braid close, like you're trying to bridge every gap possible, every space. So you tighten your braid. That is the essence of the pull out. Remember, the pulling, and then you're going like you're braiding over it. Like you see, you want to braid on top the previous braid. Like you're braiding so closely to the one prior to the new braid. That makes sense. Okay, that is how you get the thickness and the tightness rather. Braid so close. See, so close. But if you want it free, you just do this. No tightness. Okay, just very free. So this is called loose braids, but this is tight braids. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, but this is it. So let's have you practice and see what you can make out of that.